to my channel. My name is Jayana. If you all are new here, thank you for joining me for another tutorial. So I'm just running through with my brows, setting them with some clear brow gel, and then also setting them with some powder. This is going to create a really long lasting brow, and it's going to cause your hairs not to stick up. Like sometimes when my brows hairs aren't laid down, you'll see them stick up through the product. So this just keeps them laid. But I'm running through this really quickly because the process has literally not changed. It's not that much that you can do with your brows nowadays. It's the same routine. But I'm going through this quickly, and then we're going to move on to the eyes. Alrighty, moving on to the eyes. So for today's look, I was completely inspired by the autumn season, by the different colored leaves. I wanted something very orange, but red, but brown, but yellow. I just wanted something that was just going to remind me of the autumn season. So taking the Profusion Cosmetics palette in the name Rubies. I love these palettes. Most of these palettes are like $5, $10 at most, and they're very pigmented and very easy to blend, and you can find them at Walmart. So I'm taking this very dark brown purplish tone shade. It's more like a maroon shade in my opinion, and I'm placing that into my crease and giving it like a C shape. And then what I'm going to do to blend the edges out of that color is take the two orange shades that you saw me point out from the Beats by Dayz cosmetic palettes, and I'm going to blend those two together to give me more of a gradient ombre-ish effect. And I like to do this anytime I am doing a cut crease, because anytime I'm doing a cut crease such as the one I'm doing today where it's multiple colors on my lid, I want everything else to be just as blended as well. So after I blend all this out, I'm going to go proceed into doing the cut crease. So whenever I do my cut crease, I like to use a concealer that is not too creamy, but not too matte. And that's why I like the Tarte tape concealer, because it dries down really fast, but it provides something for my shadows to stick onto, and they just blend out very easily. So I really enjoy using this concealer as a base, and also to cut my crease. I'm stuttering. But I'm now stamping all those colors onto my lid. Like I said, completely inspired by autumn. This came out really pretty, but I knew it needed a little extra something. So I put this gold loose highlighter, also from Beats by Dayz Cosmetics, and I just put that on to my lids just to give it a little shimmery, you know? And those lashes are from Desired Cosmetics. So now we're gonna move on to the face. So it's the NYX Cosmetics Hydra something primer. I completely forgot the name, but all products will be in the description box. I like this primer. Okay, it's cooling, it's hydrating, and because of the season changing, not that it's completely cold here in Georgia, but you know, something happened because my face just got dry out the blue, and it gets so dry to the point that it begins to crack, especially up there on my forehead. So I like that NYX Cosmetic primer, and I also like using the Acne Putty Poreless primer from e.l.f. because it really smooths out my face, and it has helped with my acne, surprisingly. So for foundation, this is the Beauty Bakerie foundation and the NARS Natural Radiant foundation. Alright, so now I'm just taking all that on my face. I didn't put too much foundation, like I said, and I'm blending it out with the beauty blender. It took a while for some reason using a beauty blender, but I like the finish that it gave me. You know what? When you use a damp beauty blender, it's going to soak up the extra foundation that you place on your face and leave your face feeling really sheer. And for some reason, well, I know the reason. My skin was glowy because of that natural radiant foundation from NARS. I got it in the wrong color, but I had to blend it with other ones, and it came out pretty. Bad law. Y'all saw that TikTok? Yeah, that's my favorite TikTok. But taking the I Am Magic concealer from Juvia's Place, this concealer is so creamy, so full coverage, but boy, does it take forever to blend out. I had to dry it down, and I don't usually have to do that. But honey, I was blending for hours. Really, it was for minutes, but I had to go back and forth with a brush and a beauty blender. Whoosah! Like I was over it. But to set the concealer using the Black Radiance powder in the shade Banana, I haven't used that powder in such a long time. I'm gonna start back though because it's very smoothing. I didn't realize it. I didn't know it was that. And now I'm setting my face with the matte Fit Me powder from Maybelline in the shade 360 Mocha, just to give some more warmth to my face, bring the color back. And then now I'm using a contour palette from Black Radiance in the shade Medium to Deep. You know, I don't care how old this palette gets, it will forever be my go-to. And y'all know I stopped contouring my nose, right? So what I do is add extra bronzer on my nose and then do a little line of setting powder on my nose to create a false contour. For blush, this is Juvia's Place blush in the volume number 1. And then after the blush, I think, what did I do? Oh, I set it my face. Ooh, I said that so wrong. Sorry. But I set my face with the Morphe Setting Mist, and now I'm about to finish up my eyes. So just adding some orange, some brown eyeliner on my waterline, and some mascara. I really like the brown on my waterline. Usually I use a beige, but the brown was beautiful. And a pop of gold in the inner corner and also on the brow bone, because you can't forget about that. Highlight is a loose highlighter. Lips are LA Colors lip liner in the shade Chocolate. And then I use the Fruit Fetish Milani lip gloss. And those lip glosses be popping. You feel me? So these are some videos from my Instagram. If you're not following me, you should at Diana the MUA. Beautiful. Best. This is one of the best looks that I have ever done. It came out exactly how I imagined, and I'm very proud of myself for completing it. All right, so I thank y'all so much for watching today's tutorial. Please don't forget to follow me on those social medias. Give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you're notified of my next upload. Thank y'all so much for watching.